trying to do gymnastics. So Caleb, how do you feel about this?
Well, since it's Taylor's birthday today, I'm gonna do it anyways and try.
Also, little disclaimer, we both have really bad sunburn from the beach yesterday, so we might not do the skills to the best of our ability because both our backs are burnt and his arm here is burnt, so just a little disclaimer for you guys. And guess what else? For my birthday, I got this, so it's gonna make our skills a lot easier to do, and we're gonna try some new things out, so let's see how that goes. So basically how we're going to be doing this video is I have the book here of all the skills in gymnastics levels 1 through 6, and we're going to go from easy skills to the hard skills, but Caleb already can do some of the easy skills, so we're going to go more in the middle first because otherwise this is going to be a really long video. So that's how we're going to be doing it, and we'll see if he passes and see what level he's on. So starting with the level 1, which is 2 easy skills, we'll do level 2. Level 2 is still a little easy. We want to be more like tumbling. We can't really forward roll or do rolls because our backs and stuff. Yeah. So we're going to start with level 4, which their tumbling skills are a round off and a front handspring. So let's get to it. Okay. I'm not very good at those in the air track. Now Caleb is going to try a front handspring. Alright, I'm going to give that a 4 out of 10 for effort.
That's so bad. Now Taylor's got to try a round off. Easy.
Alright, Caleb.
It's not straight.
OCD.
No, hold on. Can we do that?
Alright, he's going to try it one more time because he thinks he can do it. Alright, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Next skills are the level 5 skills. These ones are a little tricky, so Caleb might be trying to get some of these, but he's also a little bit scared of some of the backwards tumbling, so we'll see how it goes. So
I'm not a backflip guy.
We have a round off back handspring and a front tuck, front salt. So I can't really do either of those yet. I'm actually level 5, so I'm learning how to do those, but we'll see how it goes. I can do my back handspring, but I kind of need to warm it up, and just in case I land on my face, we have a mat here because I can do it, but sometimes I freak out, so let's see how it goes. Alright.
That's pretty good.
That was a back limber.
What?
I always get scared.
Oh.
But I think
I've seen you do a back handspring before. On the grass.
Wait, Caleb, can you spot me?
Fine.
Alright, so Caleb's going to spot me, which basically means he's just going to have his hand there. So
Question is, how do I spot?
So you just go like this, okay? But on that side. So all he's going to do is just have his hand there, so if anything happens to me, then I'm safe. Alright, I got it now. So guys, as you can see, Caleb actually did not do anything. I just have, when someone's just standing there with their hand on my back, it just makes me feel a lot more confident. So, no, you don't have to spot me. That is a back handspring. So, I can't round up back handspring.
Can you run it and then do a turn around back handspring?
That's a round off back handspring. Oh. This is the closest I've gotten to a round off back handspring. Caleb, can you film it?
Oh, wait, wrong. That's pretty good.
Oh!
Yep.
My back handsprings aren't very pretty on here. So, Caleb just said he doesn't want to learn a back handspring because he's not a backwards flipping guy, so... Now we're going to move on to front salts.
Taylor's got to do a front salt.
Whoa, that was so
Do you want to try again?
Try it one more time because that time I like slowed down in my flip, and then like I couldn't see the ground and I got scared.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
I've landed it one time on the actual floor, so the air track kind of rebounds me, so that's it. So just so we're safe, because Caleb can kind of do it, but he can't land it. He's never landed it on air track before. He's only landed it on trampoline. So we have 2 mats there. All right, Caleb, off you go.
2, 1.
All right, I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 10 because your shape kind of went sideways and you tucked a little, not tucked. Yeah, he could do really good ones in the pool. So Caleb, just, you know how you do the ones in the pool? The ones you do in the pool are perfect. Just do that here. They're actually perfect form. So he's gonna do it the same way he does it in the pool. So, you got closer, you just traveled a lot. So make sure you set up, look up.
Is that a 6 out of 10?
I'll give it a 6, yeah.
Okay.
So guys, we got out the air sport, which I got for this morning for my birthday. And we're filming this on my birthday because we had nothing better to do. So we're gonna try new skills off here. I might try a backflip, but I'm really scared.
Make sure you subscribe because it's Taylor's birthday.
Okay. So we've got the crash, we're calling them crash mats because they actually feel like crash mats. They're really soft.
Yeah, but we
So-
have no Christmas.
So we're gonna have these here and we're gonna try a bunch of new skills. We might want to move this way though. So, let's get to it. Scary. First, I'm gonna try a front somersault. We'll see how it goes. Holy, this is scary.
What you?
No. I freaked out. That was my fault.
I want to try and do something.
If you need a spot, just let me know. Yeah, okay. So I think I figured this thing out. I think I might be able to land it.
I have to run off. What that's the problem? Wait, Taylor. I have to run.
Hey!
Wait, Taylor, I have an idea. What if we move this closer to the edge so we get more bounce and we can run up quickly and then we front flip like that? Is that a good idea? Is it better?
Kind of felt worse, to be honest.
Yeah, but we need to run up.
Alright, Caleb's gonna try front flip.
3, 2, 1. Oh, so close!
That was so close!
My idea was good.
This air spot is really good. It's from Gym Plus. I definitely recommend. It like makes the air track bouncier and you can jump off a higher surface, so it's got a couple bonuses.
That's actually really good. Yeah, you know what? I rate that 9 out of 10.
Thank you. Alright, should I spot you in one? So, guys, this front flip, I'm gonna rate Caleb out of 10, okay? Here we go. I always spot. Wait, hold up. There we go, better angle.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
That was pretty, Caleb, see how you jumped from here and you landed all the way over here?
Yeah.
You're traveling, remember? I jump from here and land here. You need to make it high, not long. Don't think you're going long. Think of jumping
So
high.
do you want to do it again?
If you want to do it again, sure.
Let's try and do it again and then we'll move on.
Do you want a spot or no spot?
No spot. 3, 2, 1.
Better!
Okay.
You just came out of your tuck in the middle of your flip.
Yeah, moving on to the next activity.
So, guys, my goal for when I got the air spot was to try and backflip off it. But first, I need to try and do a really high back handspring off it. But it's scary, so Caleb is going to spot me. We have the mats here because who knows what happens. Because my back handsprings are really narrow lately, which means basically my hands go to where my feet are, and that's not good.
Yeah, make sure you don't hurt yourself.
First, we're just going to get Caleb to spot me. So I'm really scared. Because this thing can flip. No. Let me do one on the edge.
Yes, you're doing good. Ready? Is that good? 1, 2, 3. Go. Wait, what are you doing?
I always scream when I get scared. Caleb knows that from when we do parkour. Remember?
3.
I'm scared.
Okay, and maybe she has to warm up something. You have to warm up too.
Give me a second.
She like straight jumps backwards. And once you feel it, then I'm in a. I don't do gymnastics. I do soccer. But I'm happy to help my sister out.
I'm trying to back lay out, but it's like scary. So right now, where we're like stopping, it'll be like 2 hours later. Alright guys, I think I can do it, but I've got like a mental block, but I don't because like I want to do it. So this time, I'm gonna do it. Taylor!
Alright? 3, 2, 1. So close.
Sweet. Because my hands came close, it means my back layout's gonna be pretty good. One more. This one.
3, 2,
Actually, no, get rid of this one. There's a spot on my leg, just the back.
3, 2.
I said just the back, not the leg.
Oh. 3, 2, 1. Did that help?
Sweet!
Did that help or not?
Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna try one by myself and get over this one, which I've never done before, so I don't know how to do.
Getting out of the way.
It's beautiful! Guys, I have an awesome idea. So basically, Caleb hates learning backflips. Yeah, I taught him one in the pool. So I'm gonna try and teach him a backflip, but without the actual backflip. Get what I'm saying? So let's go do it. Caleb! I have an idea. Come here, stand on here. Then I want you to go here, here, tuck your backwards. Yeah, alright, now I want you to go here, here, and tuck up to your back. I'll catch you in my arms.
Okay, what?
So you go here, here, and then land on your back. I'll catch you in my arms. That's it, tuck. Remember the tuck.
Whoa.
You gotta jump back. You gotta get high so you land in my arms.
Whoa, you don't even
Onto your back, not onto your butt, onto your back.
So I have a feel when I actually land on my back.
Well, you're gonna get over it today. That's it. Except you went nowhere. You didn't even jump.
Yeah, I have a feel.
So Caleb, do you know what I was trying to teach you? Yeah.
I'm not.
Dun, 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 dun.
What is Sundance? Yeah. Okay, so we decided to stop the video because soon we're gonna make a video of teaching my brother,
Teaching my
which is
brother to
me.
backflip in one day, but we found this video kind of like boring, so we don't know if we're gonna post it yet. But if we do, then you're welcome if you like it. So since not many people are gonna find this entertaining, we're gonna make teaching my brother to backflip in one day because like lots of people click on backflip stuff rather than teaching my brother gymnastics. So let's do that.